Hello everybody! Thank you for coming back to my channel. Today we are making the creamiest, dreamiest hot chocolate bombs yet. As you can see, I've poured melted white chocolate, Ghirardelli if you have it, into my chocolate bomb molds. I'm showing you this pink luster glitter dust, and I'm just putting it in the bottom of this particular
Valentine's Day is
heart. I would like to make a pink shell. I've seen other people do this and they mix it with lemon juice or they mix it with vodka. I will do that in the future. Here I am gently taking out the bombs after they have been in the refrigerator for about 30 to 40 minutes. As you can see, the pink did not give me pop, it didn't give me life, it didn't give me happiness. So I have to change that up. As I said earlier, I am using the pink strawberry Nesquik so that when you go to make your cup of hot cocoa, it'll be pink and perfect for Valentine's Day. Here I'm being innovative. I've never seen anyone else paint on the chocolate around the rims, so I figured I was on to something amazing and wonderful, that I was changing the game when I did this, and that I just was a genius. And then I found out why people don't do it. It just doesn't work. It doesn't. So I did get better results out of the pink and white one, but that cocoa bomb is ugly anyway, so we got to get rid of them all. So we're starting again. We're going to that's a mess. There was even a cracked one back there. We're going to remelt the chocolate. Use the same chocolate over. Don't throw it away. Remelt the chocolate. Make it a little thicker. Put it back in the fridge so they can set up again and we can try again. It doesn't take long. So here I'm being very careful, taking them out, not cracking them. I love silicone molds. They are just the bee's knees. So now I'm looking for the best ones. I have a nice one right here. Well, not that one, but I can use the chocolate powder from the inside. I'm kind of blown away how I have that big gaping hole in there. Made me pause for a second. I've heated up a saucer plate situation back there, and when you do that, it melts down the sides of the chocolate bomb and it smooths out the imperfections and it allows the two sides to adhere to each other much better. So that's why people have been doing that and not doing what I tried to do. So guys, don't be like me. Don't jump in here and then try to remake the game. Do what the other people are doing so it can work out like it's been working out for the other people. Here I am heating up the top shell again, putting them together nicely. They're sticking, they're looking way better. This is my first go at hot chocolate bombs, and I think the second set have come out much nicer than the first set. And look at me, I'm piping these out. If you saw my previous video, you know I really struggled with the drizzle. I've come a long way. I'm trying to show you that these were great value, that they are a Walmart special. They cost $1 for the bag, and their impact is immeasurable. These pearls look really good on chocolate bombs and probably anything else. And they were very easy to put on, and I loved them. They dried very quickly. They gave me a lot of extra pizzazz. I'm still looking for that sparkle, but I can live with this and be very happy. Now, here I am drizzling again. Drizzle, girl, drizzle. I'm showing you that I have complete control and I can make really good lines on top of a chocolate bomb. So you might want to get like me, sis. Just kidding. But I did go ahead and just put it in a baggie, cut the tip off a baggie, and create a pastry bag, if you will. And you could save a little bit by not buying those. I kind of tried to fill in that little crack on this one. Didn't work. So here we go with the glitter. And I'm going to tell you that this glitter is about on my last nerve. Okay? I bought this glitter thinking it was going to do what glitter does in regular life. Make everything sparkly and shiny. Give it a little pop. Didn't do that, but I don't want to waste it.
Valentine's Day is almost here. The people you love will stand and cheer. Rah, 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 rah. It's time to make the chocolate bombs. Hurrah, hurrah. It's time to make
I'm
the
just smoothing it out
chocolate
right
bombs.
here,
Hurrah,
getting
hurrah.
rid
Valentine's
of
Day is almost here. The
any
people you love will stand
extra.
and
Oh, look
cheer.
at that. No
Rah,
chocolate is
rah,
spilling out
rah,
while I
rah.
shake, shake,
It's time
shake.
to make the
So
chocolate
there you
bombs.
go.
Hurrah, hurrah.
Looks okay.
It's time to make
I
the
kind of like
chocolate
it.
bombs. Hurrah,
Still upset.
hurrah.
Ooh, pearls for the
Valentine's Day is
girl.
almost here. The people you love will stand and cheer.
Get a look at those pearls. Those pearls are really nice. You can even see them over there in the background just pearling. Look at those pearls over there pearling. All right, here I am using this luster dust. I used it on my chocolate covered strawberries and they were gleaming and shining and doing all that. It didn't do all that on this one, but also on the chocolate strawberries, I did go back and do 2 or 3 coats and I just didn't have time for that. Also, this little brush set that I got from Wilton, I don't have time for that either. It is not useful and I had to buy a different set with the big brush. Here we go. Cupcake liners from the dollar store. Red napkins from the dollar store. Beautiful iridescent box with red bow from the dollar store. And you just see me assembling the treats. Ooh, the pearls for the girls. Yes, 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 for the pearls. I will always, always rock with the pearls. I will not rock with the glitter sugar as soon as it's gone. And this iridescent sugar, I'm going to actually mix it with the lemon juice and vodka like you're supposed to. And maybe I will find some happiness with that. But look at this box. It's a cute little box. It's a cute little bow ribbon, as my mother would say. And it was only $1. I think it makes the perfect cute presentation. This is the perfect hot chocolate trifecta. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when my next video is out. Thank you very much for rocking with me today. Happy Valentine's Day and love to you all.